Hi loves, we have this Homeika cordless vacuum. It has those 3 speed options. Those were the 3 speeds. I use that first speed for my hardwood tile, that second speed for like my area rugs that I'm going to show you here, and then that third speed I use for my thicker carpets. It comes with battery, it comes with other attachments. This is an all-in-one deal. Absolutely love these. It is lightweight. I can vacuum couches, my car, anything with it. So let's show you how it works. Absolutely love it.